Hey yo, it's Chriso back again. I was doing a bit of a man look and I couldn't find my crowbar, but I found it. So it's I just wanted to move that tile over a little bit, and that's the only thing that could do it. So we're home and hose now. A little bit of glue there. Right, so I'll do 2 of those. Two, yeah, and the next one's got to be a cut. Okay. This one, turn around. So you get your milled edge. Good one. Sometimes when you're doing your cuts, it's better or easier to put your glue on the tile instead of the floor. Pop it down. Whoop, 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 whoop. Notice how I put my wedges and bring it, I'll push my wedge into the clip. That way it brings the tile towards this tile. If I was the other way, if I was pushing my clip like that into the, if I was pushing my wedge into the clip that way, it would push the tile, and so then you're always adjusting it. But you do it that way and it pulls the tile in. If you dig what I mean. you should always have a sponge and water, which I haven't got at the moment, but it's actually a must. So I'll zap away and just go and get my sponge and water. Stay within range because I'll be back soon. Nice, I like it. I'll see you soon. See ya. Bye.